Pronunciation of difficult words, part 3. Cupboard, fuzzier, arousing, occurred, frightening, leapt, compost, receiving, pleasantly, luckier, combed, ruined, sagged, retreated, glared, hirsute, sparrows, releasing, whisked, skittering, whacked, footballer, unison, realizing, rusty, looting, inky, spiritedly, livid, rescued, curtained, hibiscus, intoxicating, gathered, jamun, deciding, caught, drooped, horrendously, worthier, silenced, definable, hunched, twitched, lividity, ache, leaking, bedsteads, stridently, knocking, piled, claws, shyly, protected, pawed, brushed, hose, jubilation, dejectedly, horrors, swallowing, panting, chanted, seething, sidled, returning, crotons, marbles, heartily, desperately, snarling, wag, relieved, muffled, tumbled, whiff, chewing, creatures, arid, trampling, shouting, seeker, quaked, sandals, congratulation, sprawling, leaping, emerged, seethed, bloated, papery, stifled, slab, stalked, storming, attended, snort, sobs, soda, pounded, crackling, begging, fading, thrilling, triangular, hazes. Thank you. Please like, subscribe and comment.